Picture a vast forest, silent, remote, unwatched. Now imagine trying to protect endangered animals across thousands of square kilometers. Rangers on foot, limited staff, limited time. Poachers need minutes. Protection needs visibility. That's where AI enters. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace conservationists, it extends their reach. Let's break it down. Camera traps are placed across forests and savannas. They capture millions of images. Manually reviewing them would take months. Machine learning models scan those images in seconds. They identify species, they detect humans, they flag suspicious movement. This transforms monitoring from reactive to proactive. Now zoom in further. Drones equipped with thermal imaging can detect human activity at night. AI systems analyze patterns in animal movement from satellite collars. Predictive models identify high-risk poaching zones based on terrain, access routes, and past incidents. Instead of patrolling blindly, rangers patrol intelligently. This approach builds on conservation science strengthened by voices like Jane Goodall, who emphasize that protecting species requires understanding both ecosystems and human behavior. Today, that understanding is amplified by data. Now zoom out. Wildlife conservation is not only about saving animals, it's about ecosystems, tourism economies, water systems, carbon storage. When keystone species disappear, ecosystems destabilize. When biodiversity declines, economic resilience weakens. That's why AI-driven conservation is supported globally. Organizations like the United Nations, working through programs such as the United Nations Environment Program, support biodiversity monitoring, anti-poaching coordination, and habitat protection initiatives across continents. Technology enhances enforcement. Data strengthens accountability. But here's the key distinction. AI is a tool. It detects patterns. It identifies risk. It improves allocation of limited resources. It does not replace policy. It does not replace community engagement. Conservation succeeds when technology, governance, and local cooperation align. Before we end, zoom out one last time. AI in conservation teaches a powerful lesson. Protection becomes scalable when information becomes real-time. Environmental science now integrates ecology with data science because biodiversity loss is both a biological and logistical challenge. In the next episode, we'll explore smart cities and environmental monitoring, where AI moves from forests to urban systems, managing air, water, waste, and energy in real time. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where environmental science meets technology, strategy, and global systems. This isn't about replacing humans. This is about amplifying protection.